known as the IDT
I hope you enjoy your meat probe
thermometer
for
for
barbecuing
barbecuing in the house, anywhere you need to barbecue.
measure heats,
Electronic meat
temperatures,
thermometer.
and ready
Let's
for your
open up this
barbecue.
product,
On that
show you
note,
what it's
I'm
all
Fish.
about. The Inkbird has 4
I hope
probes,
you enjoy
so you
your
can cook
meat
different
probe
types of
that can be
meats,
hung up,
poultry, fish,
up to
and
4
so forth.
different types
You get
of
2
products
AA batteries,
hooked up
you
together,
get some
machine
clamps,
washable
and
on
you
the
get the
probes, and
thermometers
enjoy
in
your
different
product if
types of
this is
colors,
right
so you know which
for you.
ones are which.
On the back of the unit, clip off the door.
Place in your battery.
When placing your battery on,
You hear a beep, and you see the orange display on the front. You have the option to turn the light off, and you have the option to turn the whole unit off by a long press. With the supplied app, simply take a picture. Bluetooth setup, simply sign in, create an account. After registering, we see that we have some information provided. IDT34CB. When the probe is inserted to one of the channels at 80 degrees, you see it lit up, and each of the colors will be a little different than the others. We're going to pick the temperature guide. We want our pork chops to be a medium well. With the metal probe, you place your thermometer to the side. We're ready to set up. Turn the unit on. We have our clamp. As you can see, the temperature increasing. Stick in our probe in the fish. Remember to pull the caps off and in the fish. You can see the temperature of the pork, and you can see the temperature of the fish, and we can see a scale of each individual one. As the food cooks, we can see the different temperatures. We reach the temperature. Now we're waiting for the fish. And when everything is done, you just simply pull the plugs off. Careful, as they can be hot. And then you're ready for food. I hope you enjoy your meat probe thermometer for barbecue, grilling, anywhere that you need to measure heats, temperatures, and ready for your barbecue. On that note, I'm Fish, machine washable on the probes, and enjoy your product if this is right for you.